Fulfillment is a process where we actually get the goods shipped into us. We set up the displays that we just manufactured. We pack the merchandise in the displays and then ship the displays to wherever they're going.
One of the award-winning successes we had was a display where we actually had to incorporate wire backings into the pallet display to hold large quantities of clothing. And it was a challenge, but it was one that we came across and won an award with, which is very satisfying.
As soon as we're done making the displays, we can go to work doing whatever fulfillment is necessary. So there's a time savings, there's convenience, and our customer doesn't have to spend time looking for someone else that can do this. And in terms of competitiveness, we're as competitive as anyone. So it's mainly being competitive with price, but offering the added value of service and getting things to market quickly. Being in the middle of the country can be an advantage because we can ship east, we can ship west, and it's equidistant, and there are some advantages to that. Being the size company we are, to offer the expanded services that we do may be somewhat unique, but it's important for us to differentiate ourselves, and hopefully our customers look at that as an additional benefit and maybe sets us apart from others.